you'll need a 10mm wrench and a trim puller tool. The brake taillights are located in the rear light assembly. We'll begin by opening the trunk. There is one clip to remove. Use your trim puller tool to pry out the middle and then pop it out. Peel the trunk liner back to access the back of the assembly. There are two 10mm bolts to remove. Once removed, push the outside of the assembly towards the back of the car to free the rest of the clips. We highlight here the clips and where they attach to the car. The top socket is the brake taillight. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test both the tail light and the brake light. The triangle socket will only fit one way. Line up the socket with the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the assembly by lining up the bolts with the holes. Push the assembly forward to lock in the clips. Replace and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Tuck the trunk liner back under the weather strip. Push in the clip and then push in the middle to lock it. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Remove the clip and peel back the trunk liner. Remove the two 10mm bolts. Push the assembly towards the back to release the clips. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED. And test the tail and brake light. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up the assembly and push it forward to lock it. Replace and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Tuck the liner in and replace the clip. These taillights are much brighter, and the strobe LED makes your vehicle much easier to see when braking.